Yeah, is it my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. Now, yeah, students, already I discussed the same kind of problem. Now I will write down the equations. We'll quickly do the analysis for this one. Now, how many meshes are there? What is the step?
Two.
Step.
Two
What is the
meshes.
first step you need to do? First step, what you need to do? First step, what you need to do?
Finding nodes.
So assume the node points.
Assuming the
Step
node
one.
point.
Step one. Assume node points. So can I assume the node points here? What is the name here? What is the name? A. What is the node here?
B. A,
B.
B,
What is this one?
C,
C.
D, B,
D or E?
E,
D,
No.
sir.
D.
It is a common wire. So because
D,
D, sir.
you went to Pongal holidays, you forgot all the things, right? Yeah, tell me, what is this one?
D.
A,
E.
D.
D.
Why it is D? Because it is a common wire. There is nothing is there here. But if here, there is an element. Assume the nodes. Next, identify the meshes. How many
Mesh
meshes are
current.
there?
Two meshes. Two.
Two
Two.
meshes. Two. So assume the mesh currents. Can I assume mesh current here? What is this one? I1.
I1,
What is a mesh
I2,
current?
I2.
After this, what you need to do? Apply
KVL.
Yes.
KVL for each and every
KVL for each
mesh.
node.
Each and every mesh.
Each mesh. Okay. Now, which mesh I am going to apply? Anybody? What is a mesh?
A, B, D,
A,
A.
B,
A, B,
A, B,
D.
C, D, A,
Is one mesh.
A, B, C, D, A.
Okay. Now, just a minute. Just a minute. Quickly, I am doing, but it is a wrong solution. I will erase this one. If I'm doing the ABDA mesh, if I'm applying ABDA mesh, if I'm applying, it is a wrong solution. Can I start from D? If I'm starting from D, what is this one? Minus 10. 10 is the volts or not? Voltage. Plus, what is this one? Tell me. What is this one? Anybody? What is this
2
one, my
I1.
dear? It is minus 10. What is this?
I1.
2I1. Very good, very good,
2I.
very good. 2I1 plus, tell me, plus, tell me, what is this one?
4A.
4I.
4.
4.
No, yeah, it is volts.
I1 minus I2.
Just a minute, it is volts.
Super mesh we should apply.
No, what is this one? What is this
5I.
one?
5I.
Resistance. What is the units?
Resistance.
Ohms.
Oh.
Plus 4.
What is the current
5I.
units? Amperes. So
Amperes.
ohms multiplied with amperes, I will get what completely? Volts. So I can add volts plus volts. Plus,
5I.
if I'm writing 4, if I'm writing 4, what is this units?
Ampere.
Can I add volts
Amperes.
plus amperes is equal to 0?
No.
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 Can I apply?
No, sir.
No. Then what is the internal resistance of ideal current source? What is internal resistance? Infinite. So
Infinite.
ideal current source internal resistance is infinite. So 4 multiplied with infinite. So what is this value? Anybody? Yeah. Infinite multiplied with something. This is
Infinite.
amperes. This is ohms. So it is infinite. Infinite plus something.
Infinite.
Infinite is
Infinite.
equal to 0. Is it practically possible?
No.
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 That means that when I'm unable to apply the mesh analysis, mesh means ordinary mesh analysis, then what is the technique you will do?
Super mesh analysis.
Huh?
Super mesh analysis.
Super mesh analysis. Just a minute, I will tell you this example to my students whenever if I'm teaching this topic. Because it is recorded one, so even if I'm arranging also, no need to bother. So that is why I'm arranging this one. Yeah. What? Right now I'm in Narsapur campus. After completion of my college hours, I'm reaching my home. Daily you will choose the one path or not? Tell me. Make it fast.
Yes, sir.
Daily to reach, I'm staying in Hyderabad. So from Narsapur to Hyderabad, I will choose one path or not? Which path I'm choosing generally? Shortest path or longest path?
Shortest part.
First one.
Always shortest path. Sometimes results will come, and during that days, so what you people will do? You will choose the longest path to reach your home, right? Generally, when the intermediate results are come, or your BTech results during that time period, what you will do? Because your parents will ask, no, what is your percentage like that? So that is the reason you will choose the longest path. Generally, most of the time, you will choose the shortest path. Am I clear? Yeah. If today that road was closed because of some construction work is going on, that road was closed, what you will do?
Yes.
So whatever the route you are using regularly, that road was closed today. What you will do? You will choose the other path, or you will wait it until the road was cleared.
Other path.
Same path.
Or otherwise you will stay back at that place and you will see that whether the when this road was this work will complete and until that period you will wait, or you will choose the other path.
Choose
We'll
another.
choose other path.
Choose other path. Very good, very good. Just a minute. First step 1, what is the step 1 you need to do in super mesh? Super mesh steps are different from mesh analysis steps. What is this one?
Assume load
It's
points.
node. Step 2, what is step 2?
Apply KVL.
Assume mesh currents. Next, assume mesh currents. After that,
Apply
KVL. KVL.
not apply KVL, sir. It is the last point.
Identify current directions.
Identify number of mesh
Identify.
currents.
No. Already assume the mesh currents. Okay. Next, what you need to do? Identify the super mesh
Super mesh.
and mesh. Ordinary mesh. Mesh means ordinary mesh. Anybody is forming the super mesh or not, and mesh is forming or not. The fourth
Sir.
one.
Apply KVL.
Yeah. Now your turn. Apply KVL. What is the fifth step? You are not giving
Solve
the
the
answers here.
equations.
You are not giving the
Solve the
answers.
equations.
Solve the equations.
అంటే
I
ఏంది
think
ఈక్వల్
the
మార్క్స్ అంటే
I
ఏ
think the
సబ్జెక్ట్
Pongal holidays are not sufficient for you. Sai,
Sir,
what is this one?
solve the
What is that?
equations.
Solve the equations. That's it. Okay. Now the question is find I. This is the question. Now what you will do? First, assume
పంపించేస్తే
the what
వాట్సాప్
point.
లో ఉంటది కదా
సాయి వాట్సాప్ లో ఉంటది, ఎక్కడికి పోదు కానీ 201236 సాయి వాట్సాప్ లో ఎక్కడికి పోదు. నేనే నా క్లాస్ అయిపోతే నేను వెళ్ళిపోతాను అంతే. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్? ఐడెంటిఫై ద
Identify
the note points. Next, what is the next one? Tell me.
number of number of
Assume mesh currents.
Assume mesh currents. Am I assumed the mesh currents or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one is forming a super mesh? Tell me. Which one is forming a super mesh? Ante just listen 10 minutes. Everybody in this class, they can able to write down any super mesh problem on any very, very effectively, very easiest way. Tell me. Which one is forming a super mesh?
I1.
కాదండి, సరిగ్గా చూడాలి. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్ డోంట్ గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్స్. థింక్ what is this one? Just here. Can I start from here or can I start from here?
A B
AB.
No, just a minute. A to B. Can I get the voltage drop? Yes. Can I get the voltage drop B to D?
Sure.
No. If you
No,
are not
sir.
getting this path, what is the path you will choose?
Straight.
B
To
to
C. C.
B to C.
you will get the voltage drop now. What is the next one? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
C to D.
C to D.
ఇక్కడ
C to D.
ఒకటమ్మా, అంటే here in my class maybe 100 students are in the online, but those who are looking at the whatever the path I'm choosing, then they will get the answers. Otherwise, no problem. You will not able to solve a single problem in the end examinations. Choose my path very carefully. A to B. Next, what is this one? Tell me.
B to C.
B to
C to C.
C to
C to D.
D to
after that.
D to D.
D to E.
So which one is forming a super mesh? Tell me.
A B C D.
A B C D.
A C D E.
So
A B C D.
am I completed first step? Am I completed second step? Am I completed third step or not? Identify the super mesh.
No,
Am
sir.
I
We
identified
have
the
to
super mesh or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the fourth one?
Apply KVL.
apply KVL.
Apply KVL. So apply. You need to write down every time. KVL for which mesh? A
B
B, C, D, A.
B
A.
A. What it is? What mesh it
Super
is?
mesh.
Super mesh. Tell me, what is this one? A to B, if you are going, which one you are touching? Tell me. A to B, what is this one? Tell me.
2I1. 2I1.
2I1.
Next. Plus, after A to B, which one you are going?
3I2.
3 into I.
3I2.
3I2, very good. Next.
Minus 5.
Minus
Minus 5.
Minus
Just after
10.
that.
Minus 10.
Minus 5 plus 10.
Minus 10.
5.
Minus 5 plus 10.
Minus 10 or plus 10?
Minus 10.
Plus 10.
Minus 10.
Plus 10.
Why it is my? Here, what is entering? C to B.
Minus.
C to D. Minus.
Minus.
D to E, you are going, which one it
Minus 10.
Minus 10, sir.
is equal to 0. Then what is this one? 2I1 plus 3I2 is equal to, what is this? 15. It is equation number 1. How many equations you have? How many equations you have?
One.
Sir.
One.
How many equations you are supposed to get?
Two.
Three.
Two.
Two. But how many equations you are obtained till now? How many equations are there?
One.
One.
One. How many variables are there?
Two.
Variables in huh?
Two.
One.
Two. How to solve this one? Okay, equation ఇలా వచ్చింది కదా. The other equation I'm supposed to get. The other equation is very easy by applying KCL. What is KCL? What is this one? Just a minute. I'm changing different colors so that you can. What is I1? I1 is going like this or not?
Yes, sir.
I1 is going downwards or upwards? Downwards.
Downward.
Downwards.
I2?
Downwards.
Downwards.
No.
Upwards.
Upwards.
Upwards. What is the net value? Difference net.
I1 minus I2.
I1 minus I2.
I1 minus I2 is in downwards or upwards?
Upwards.
Downwards.
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 అంటే ఏదైతే ఎక్కువ ఉందో దట్ ఈస్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ. విచ్ వన్? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్? సారీ. Yeah, what is the net value? Anybody? I1 minus I2 is in downwards
I1
or
minus
upwards?
I2 downwards.
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 If it is downwards, then what is the value? Tell me, what is the value? I1 minus
Four.
I2 is equal to I1 minus I2 is equal to how much? How much?
4.
4.
Yes.
Is it I1 minus I2 is equal to how much? Is it visible?
No, sir. Visible.
Yeah, now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I1 minus I2 is equal to how much?
4.
4 amperes.
It is a second equation. Now, can I solve I1
sir.
and I2?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
solve
sir.
I1 and I2?
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
by using
We are
Cramer
solving
rule
first
or
and
whatever
second
you
equation,
want.
sir.
Can I calculate I1? What is I1 is equal to delta 1 by delta. So what is delta? You know that what is the delta? How to calculate it? 3, 2, 3, 1, minus 1. You know how to calculate delta 2? What is delta 2? Tell me. Tell me. Sorry, delta 1.
3.
15,
15.
4,
4.
3, minus 1.
3.
Can I
minus
calculate delta 1 and delta? Tell me.
Sir, by
Can I
solving
calculate-
first and second equation.
Can I calculate delta 1 and delta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
By
I'm
cross
calculating.
multiplication.
Huh? Sorry. Just I'm
Determination.
explaining delta rules because if it is for a 3x3 matrix, then you can have it. Otherwise,
By
no. If I'm a student, no. If I'm a student, no. What I will do? Why I should follow the faculty? So can I multiply here 3? Can I multiply 3? Can I multiply 3? Can I add? And this 3i2 get cancelled. Add those two. Whatever the method you want, you can do it. But I want the answer. That's it. Am I clear?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, just a minute, my dear. Just a minute. I think it is why. Yeah, find I. Okay, this is the question. Yeah, anybody? How to find out this one? త్వరగా చెప్పాలండి.
Notes.
Identify
Only,
node points.
Identify node points.
my dear students, it is my humble request. Only my job is only to write down the equations, because I can do the some time pass, do the calculations, only how to find out delta 1, delta 2, all the nonsense. But I want to familiarize each and every student how to write down the equations. After writing the equations, that is student's responsibility to find out what is I1, what is I2, what is I3. Actually, if this is the problem, I will face a lot of difficulty if it is a normal mesh. But super mesh is very easy compared to the ordinary mesh. Yeah, tell me, Shapal. What is the first one? What you do?
Identify the node
Node
points.
point.
Identifying the node points.
What is this?
A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
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 D,
D, C,
E,
What is this?
C,
E,
E.
Why it is E? There is a element here.
Resistance.
This is
Resistance placed in the-
resistor. There is element. Tell me, what is this?
F,
F.
F,
G, H,
H,
My childs also know
G,
that after G the H will come.
G,
H.
It is a common wire here.
G.
Not using your common sense. Intentionally. What is this?
F,
F,
H.
H,
H,
A.
A,
A, A,
What is this point? What is this point?
C,
This
C,
blue.
sir.
A,
C.
What is blue color?
C, C, sir.
C,
C,
Repeat C.
Yeah. Now, next what is the next one you will do?
Assuming the mesh.
Whether it is
Identify
Assuming
mesh
mesh
current.
mesh. Is it a mesh or not?
yes sir. I1,
I1,
I2,
Take it
I3.
for a small. For some problems, assume all are in clockwise only. Okay, you will get the same final answers. Final answers will be same.
I3,
Next up, tell me.
identify the supermesh mesh.
identify super mesh.
No, when you will go for super mesh. If you are unable to apply the mesh analysis, then you will go for super mesh. First check whether it is mesh is applicable or not. ఇప్పుడు సూపర్ మ్యాన్ దగ్గరికి ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తాను నేను మూవీస్ లో ఆర్డినరీ మ్యాన్ ఇఫ్ unable to
Man
do the
తోటి
work,
కాకపోతే
then
సూపర్
Superman
మ్యాన్
will be
దగ్గరికి
coming
వెళ్తారు.
into picture. Otherwise, why the Superman will be coming into picture? సినిమాలు బాగా చూస్తారు కదా, హీరో ఎప్పుడు వస్తాడు? Ordinary man is unable to defeat the villain, then hero will come. Here also the same thing. Tell me, ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్దాము? మెష్ లో
ABCDCBA.
కాదు, కరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఎలా ఉందో యువర్ మోషన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ బి ఇన్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్.
AGCBA.
AGDCBA.
Very good, very good, very good. If you are going from A to Z, can you apply A to G కి వెళ్దామంటే వోల్టేజ్ వస్తుందా?
No.
Why?
Only current.
Why you will not get, madam?
Only current.
It is a only ideal current source. Whenever there is a current source, the internal resistance value of the current source goes to infinite. The current internal resistance of the current source will be infinite. Then what you will do? Tell me.
Apply super mesh.
అప్లై సూపర్ మెష్.
ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేస్తారు సూపర్ మెష్ కి?
మెష్ ఫెయిల్ అయినప్పుడు సార్.
Across the two meshes, if there is a current source, then go for super mesh. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏది ఈజీ అని చూద్దాం అన్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ అది అయిపోయింది, వదిలేద్దాం. ఏది ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది సూపర్ మెష్? 103 నా 103
13.
13.
13 or 12?
13.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు డిఫికల్ట్ పార్ట్ ఏంటంటేనండి నార్మల్ మెష్ అప్లై చేయటం. సూపర్ మెష్ ఐ విల్ నాట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీ. I'll tell you.
Apply KVL.
KVL for which mesh? You want to apply first super mesh or no ordinary mesh?
Ordinary mesh.
Ordinary mesh. ఏది అప్లై చేద్దాం చూద్దాం. ఓకే, రైట్ ఇట్ ఆన్ పేపర్.
GFECD.
Again I will erase because place is a constraint for me. So what I will do, okay, I will erase again. What is this one? First mesh. Apply KVL for a mesh. So chapali, what is a mesh?
GFECD.
GFECD. G mesh.
GFEG.
ante kada?
Yes sir.
Yeah. What is the equation? Tell me. What is the equation? First, G నుంచి F కి వెళ్తున్నారు. Is it a common branch?
4I2.
4I2.
4I2 minus I2.
4I2 minus I3.
4I2 minus I3.
4I2 minus.
Dear
4I2
students,
minus I1.
dear students, you are following my lecture. So just to do one thing, after reaching the home, you can take it any problem and just have a practice. You can take it Google or anything. Just apply whatever the techniques I am explaining. Just have a practice. That's it. And directly you can go to the exam. What is this one? Tell me. 4 into. Tell me.
Minus
I2
I3.
minus I3.
I2 minus I3.
I2 minus
Tell me.
I2.
After that.
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
Plus.
3.
No need to write down V.
3I2.
Next. After that.
Plus
Plus
3.
3I2.
Next.
Minus 2.
Minus
Minus
2.
2.
Minus 2.
Plus
ఇంకా I2 minus
4I2
I1.
minus I1.
Plus 4 into I2 minus I1.
I2 minus I1.
Very good, yaar. Is equal to what? So can I take it? It is equation number 1. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the next one? Tell me. What is the next one?
Super mesh.
Apply super mesh on AG. I1 minus I2 to 2.
What is the next one? Tell me. తర్వాత దేనికి అప్లై చేయాలండి?
Net current.
I1, I3.
Super mesh. Super mesh. So which one is forming a super mesh? Tell me.
I1
Apply KVL for which mesh?
I1 I3.
Super mesh.
AHFEBA.
Or you can write down AH, whatever you want. Tell me. AH or BA like that. Tell me. AH. Tell me.
AH, F, E, C, D, F, G,
FG.
F,
F.
HFG.
A.
FG. After that.
A.
A.
D,
How can you go to the A, madam? How can you go to the A?
DCB,
How can you go to
DCBA,
the F?
AH,
G
F,
to
E,
A.
C, D, F.
DCBA,
DCBDA.
DCBA.
మీకు ఎవరికన్నా హైదరాబాద్ లో ఆస్తులు ఉంటే నాకు చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే మీరు తక్కువ కూడా ఇచ్చేసిలో ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకంటే యు ఆర్ నాట్ లుకింగ్ ఎట్ ద కాస్ట్. Here it is volts, here it is amps. You are directly adding volts to the amperes. Tell me. G after that, what is the next one? Tell me.
D.
After
D.
G to A, I can't go because
DCBA,
is
sir.
amperes.
DCBA.
DCBA.
వెళ్ళగలరా లేదా పాత? ఇది సూపర్ మెష్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are going to the G to A, it is ordinary mesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Chapandi. What is the equation? Anybody? What is the equation? Anybody? Because place
1
is a
into
constant.
I3.
1 into I3.
I3
Minus 2.
minus 2
minus 2
Minus I2.
2
Plus 4
plus
into
4
Plus
I3
4
minus
into
I2.
4 into I3 minus I2.
I1. I3 minus
plus 4 into
I1.
4 into
Plus 4
plus
into
4 into I2 minus I1.
I1 minus
I1.
No. It is I2
I1
minus
minus
I1 or
I1 minus I2.
I told you.
I1 minus
I1 minus
I1
I2.
minus I3.
బాబు మనకు నోటుకు వచ్చింది చెప్పకూడదు. You are going to G to D. If you are going to G to D,
I1
you
minus
are
I3,
entering
sir.
to the third loop too. You have started with third loop. You are entering to the first loop now. Third
I1
loop
minus
లో
I3.
వ్యక్తి ఫస్ట్ లూప్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యాడు అంటే ఇది ఎవరిది? ఈ రీజియన్ అంతా ఎవరిది?
I2.
I2.
I1.
రీజియన్ ఎందుకు అవుద్దమ్మా?
I3 minus I1.
You are talking about only 1 and 3.
Plus 4I1.
4 into what is that?
I1 minus I3.
I1 minus I2.
ఒక్క నిమిషం
I1
అండి.
I3.
Students,
I1 sir.
just a minute. This is loop 3. This is loop 1. Don't bring the I2 into picture. This is already over. Don't talk about that.
I1 minus I3, sir.
I'm talking about these two. Okay?
I1 minus
Now,
I3.
just a minute, Sai.
4I1 only
Come.
sir.
Just a minute. This is completed. This is completed. This is completed. Up to here, you are in the third loop. After completion of this one, you are going down. You are going down means either you are in the loop 1 or loop 2, but you are only talking about these two. It is a common. Which one it is common? 4 ohms is common between whom?
I1
and
I2.
I1 and I2.
So,
I1
it
and
is
I2.
always I need to write down I1
I1
minus,
minus I2.
tell me. I1 minus.
I2.
Minus I2.
Next, plus.
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Next. After this,
Plus 1 into
I
I1.
into I1
plus 1 into I1.
I3 minus
1 into.
Minus 1.
I1
I1
Next
minus 1 minus 1
Minus 1.
minus 1.
is minus 1 is equal to
0
0.
0.
Equation 2.
Ek-
yeah. How many equations are over?
2.
2
For two meshes, I'm getting only one mesh equation. For two meshes, I'm getting only one mesh equation. But I'm supposed to get the two equations. One equation is obtained here. What is the other equation? Anybody? What about the other equation? I'm supposed to get
I1
the
minus
I1 minus I3 equals to 2.
I1 minus I3 is equal to what?
0.
Why it
No.
is 0
2
here?
amperes.
2.
I1 is
two, sir.
here. I3 is here.
2.
It is I1. Then what is I1 minus I3 is equal to how much it is? How much?
2.
So it is
True.
equation
True,
number
sir.
3.
2.
I1 minus I3 is equal to 2. So it is equation number
Third
3.
equation.
Can I solve the
Yes,
I1,
sir.
I2, I3?
No, sir.
Why? Why you are unable to solve?
Yes, sir.
The quotient of this
Yes,
one
sir.
is 0. 1 into, can I write down I1 minus I3? Can I write down 1 into I1 plus 0 into I2? Tell me, minus 1 into I3 is equal
I3,
to, can I write down
2.
2? Can I write down this is 3?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yetandi, you are not giving the
Yes,
answers.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I know I1, I know I2, I know I3, and find out I1, I2, I3. That's it. So it is very pretty simple calculations. Very pretty simple calculations. Any questions now? Any questions? Ippudu, I'll explain the original story now. Any questions? When you will go for super mesh? And whatever the steps I'm telling, so no need to follow. I am not by-hearted. Try to understand. So you need to follow one procedure I'm explaining. That's it. Any questions you can ask me now. Okay? No?
No, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute. Just a minute. Now, in your quiz exam or if you study something, people definitely they will ask this one. Mesh analysis. Mesh means only ordinary mesh here. Mesh analysis is based on what? ఏమేమి అప్లై చేశారండి మీరు? Why you are
KCL.
applying mesh analysis?
KVL.
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 Plus Ohm's law. Have you applied Ohm's law or not?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because V is equal to I into R every time you are applying Ohm's law. So very, 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 very important bit is it is KVL plus Ohm's
Ohm's
law.
law.
Next, super mesh analysis is based on anybody.
KVL and KCL.
KVL plus
KVL,
KVL,
KCL, and also
KCL,
are you
Ohm's
applying
law.
Ohm's law or not?
Ohm's law.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very, 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 very important bits. Very, 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 very important. Next. The next class, I'm going to explain nodal analysis. No faculty, they will not explain what is importance of it. But I will explain the importance so that you can do the better things while you are doing the exam. Nodal analysis. Nodal. This is mesh. Mesh ante is nothing but loop. What is this one? Tell me.
KCL plus Ohm's law.
చెప్తానండి నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో why you are applying KCL plus Ohm's law.
Sir, KVL and KCL both are different, no, sir?
That is why it is KCL plus Ohm's law I am applying. Super node analysis I will discuss is based
KVL
on
plus
what?
Ohm's law.
KCL
Plus
plus
KVL
KVL
plus Ohm's law.
plus Ohm's law. అంటే are you following one thing? Whether it is super mesh or super node technique is based on what? If you are adding plus means both are same, no? KVL plus KCL plus Ohm's law, KCL plus KVL plus Ohm's law, both are same, no? It is very easy to get the mark in this. Complete aయిందా? Any questions?
No, sir.
No. Just a minute. Actually, nobody will give this one. Actually, before studying the mesh analysis and nodal analysis, I should understand this one. If you attend anybody's class, only they will explain mesh analysis. After that, they will discuss nodal analysis. but they will not explain why you need to study the nodal analysis. They will not explain. Just they will tell you the technique how to use it. But students has to understand why I am doing it. The mesh analysis is only applicable for planar networks. For planar networks. Nodal analysis is applicable for both planar and non-planar networks. Actually, if I'm a good student, if I'm a good faculty, I should know the mesh first. After that, I should know the nodal next. Because the drawback of mesh analysis, you can't apply for non-planar networks. The drawback is eliminated here. That is why I'm studying the nodal analysis. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, I should understand what is planar network. What is planar network? Because every element is represented with a solid line. And a voltage source, current source, everything I'm represented with a thick line. And instead of drawing voltage source, current source, inductor, capacitor, all these things, I'm represented with a solid line. If I'm able to draw a diagram without the crossover, then the network is said to be planar network. Again, I'm repeating. If I'm able to draw a network without the crossover, then the network is said to be planar network. Is it planar or non-planar?
Planar.
Crossovers leave kabatti. Now, is it planar or non-planar? Do you have any crossovers?
Non-planar. Non-planar.
No, it is a planar. There is no crossovers. If I'm able to, what about this one? Planar or non-planar?
Non-planar.
Why it is non-planar?
Cross.
There is a cross. Now what I will do? Can I draw the same diagram without the crossover? Can I move this jumper to the outside like this? Tell me, yeah.
No, sir.
Why, yeah? I can move. Just I will show you. I will show you one problem. What you have. It is a planar network or non-planar network?
Planar.
Non-planar.
క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ఏమైనా కనపడుతుందా మీకు? జంపర్ లాంటిది అంటే మీకు ఏమైనా కానీ ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళి చూపించుకోవాలి మనం ఏమైనా కనపడితే. Now
Non-planar.
Non-planar.
It is looking like a non-planar, but it is a planar network. Why? Just look at this one. I'm removing this one. I'm connecting outside like this. Can I connect like this?
Yes, sir.
Is it planar or non-planar?
Planar.
Planar.
Without the crossover, if I'm able to draw a diagram, then the network is said to be a planar network.
Planar.
Computer science students, this is very, 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 very important. You are doing so many sorting techniques. This type of planar and non-planar graph theory, all these things will play a very crucial role while you're doing the so many algorithms. Next. Because our resistor lo ayanni draw cheyalekane simple ga draw chestunanu ante.
Non-planar.
Until you can do the n number of combinations and check whether it is planar or non-planar. But it is a non-planar network.
Non-planar.
So because I can't able to remove these crossovers for drawing the diagram. For mesh analysis is only applicable for planar network, but nodal is applicable for both planar and
Non-planar.
Planar and non-planar networks. Next, previously, if I am going for here, M is number of equations is equal to M is the number of equations is equal to B minus N minus 1. It is appearing based on the graph theory, and you people are not required at this stage, but if for electrical and EC students will explain while we are dealing with the next subject on graph theory. So B minus N plus 1, where B is the number of branches, N is the number of nodes. ఇక్కడ మీ క్విజ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో బ్రాంచెస్ ఇస్తారమ్మా, నోట్స్ ఇస్తారు. యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెషెస్. చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. ఇందులో ఎన్ని మెషెస్ వచ్చినాయి అమ్మా? ఇందులో త్వరగా చెప్పాలమ్మా.
3.
అంటే I have explained very simplest way of finding out number of meshes. But actually the mesh equations is equal to, what is the number of mesh equations is equal to, tell me? What is the number of meshes is equal to B minus N plus 1. If I am removing the bracket, N plus 1. Count cheyanamma. Chudandi okasari branches. Voltage source is 1 branch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many branches are there? Tell me.
10 branches.
Next, number of nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus nodes are 8 plus 1. Then what is it?
3.
Number of mesh equations enni vachayamma meeku? Check cheskondi.
3.
Actually, it is a difficult task for my students. That is why I have taken very simplest way of writing the equations. Just go back to the previously. Even you can check any problem. This condition will satisfy. Just here, what is the number of mesh equations? What is it here? Branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 branches minus number of nodes A, B, C, D plus 1. Then what is the number of mesh equations?
2.
Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes.
Yeah. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll continue next class. So on the node analysis. ఇది అర్థమైతే నాకు my job is very easy on the node and super node taken count. ఎప్పుడు సూపర్ మెష్ కి వెళ్తారు? when you are going for super mesh?
When mesh is
Across the two meshes.